Hello, welcome to Power System Fault, Section 5C. We will learn to convert phase component and symmetrical component of current and to calculate apparent power from symmetrical components. Similarly to voltage, we can convert phase component to symmetrical component and convert them back to phase component. Let's learn by doing examples. Example 1. Phase components of current of phase A, B, and C are given. Find symmetrical components. We can find symmetrical components by using these equations for zero, positive, and negative sequence components. Zero sequence component is 1/3 of the summation of all phase components. It has 10 ampere with zero angle, whereas positive sequence component can be calculated from this equation. It has 0. We use this equation to find negative sequence component. It has 0. In case of unbalanced system, the phase angle of phase A, B, and C are the same. There will be only zero sequence component. When symmetrical components of voltage and current are given, the phase component of apparent power is 3 times of the multiplication of voltage and the conjugate of current. Example 2. Phase components of voltage and current are given. Let's find the apparent power. To calculate the apparent power based on phase component, it is the summation of the multiplication of voltage and the conjugate of current from each phase. It is 3000 VA. Let's find symmetrical components of voltage and current. Then calculate the apparent power from this equation. It is 3000 VA. This example result shows that to calculate the apparent power from symmetrical components, it must be 3 times of the multiplication of voltage and the conjugate of current. In conclusions, similarly to voltage, phase component of current comprise symmetrical components. It could be rewritten so that there are only symmetrical components of phase A. Phase components can be calculated from symmetrical components. In reverse operation, symmetrical components can be calculated from phase components. To calculate the apparent power from symmetrical components, it must be 3 times of the multiplication of voltage and the conjugate of current. Thank you for your attention. Please stay tuned for more clips.